Hey guys, hello. This is Moon. Welcome to my channel, Miss Gypsy. Today I am here in Joshimath GMVNL. GMVNL stands for Garhwal Mandal Nigam Limited. It was 25th August yesterday. Our planned bus, UPSRTC Volvo bus, got cancelled because yesterday was a verdict day of Ram Rahim Singh. We were really in trouble, great trouble, because our bus was at 11:30 p.m. and we got the message around 10:30 p.m. But God helped us. We went to ISBT, got more information, and when we came to know that there are a couple of other buses who are running from other routes to Rishikesh. We both the bus reached Rishikesh this morning really safely around 4 a.m. and the one bit reaching Joshimath took a long time. It took more than 12 hours. So I would suggest whenever you come to Rishikesh and if you're traveling to Joshimath, try to get 5:30 bus. That's the only government bus available, which takes on 8 to 9 hours to reach Joshimath. We got the private one and it really took much time. So we are on our way for a great experience, which I missed to tell you. We are going for a trek to Valley of Flowers, Hemkund Sahib, and Badrinath, Mana village are also on our list, but only if time permits. So keep watching my video. Keep watching to know more about the trek, to get more information, and please do not forget to like, comment and subscribe to my channel for more trek videos and travel videos. Thank you guys. Hey guys, good morning. We are on our way to Valley of Flowers. We have covered some 1 kilometer from Ghangharia, so we have 3.5 kilometers yet to cover. It's really heavy, raining heavily since last night. It's still going on, sometimes drizzle, sometimes heavy rain. So let's see what we are destined to. However, we got the entry for Valley of Flowers and we are going ahead. Okay, just bless us that we do our trek successfully. Thank you guys, bye.
হল্যান্ডের দাদুদিরা কোথায় চলে গেছে তখন?
তারা ভেতরে ঢোকেই নি অন্তদিকে।
হ্যাঁ,
তারা হয়তো ঢোকেই নি লাস্ট মোমেন্টে।
কেন? কারা কারা? হল্যান্ডের দাদুদিরা ওই ওখানে অবধি গিয়ে চলে গেছে।
10-15 মিনিট আগেই বেরিয়েছিল, কত ডিফারেন্স দেখা হয়ে যেত।
চল চল। হুম, দেখাচ্ছি।